In this video, we will show the best SG cricket kit available to buy. At number 10. SG Full Cricket Kit with Duffle Bag and Spordy Stumps. Cricket Kit includes, cricket bat with cover, plus leg guard, plus batting gloves, plus kitbag, plus thigh guard, plus arm guard, plus abdo guard, plus doctor tape, plus inner gloves, plus SG helmet, plus ball, plus grips, plus wristband, plus headband, plus bails. At number 9. SG Comfipak Complete Cricket Kit. The complete kit bag for youth sizes includes all the gear that you need. Available in various sizes for different age groups. At number 8. SG7 PCS CRKT Cricket Kit. The heavy-duty nylon tapes with extra reinforcement, extra durable base sheet. Batting gloves, palm made from cotton and PVC. At number 7. R.P.M Sports SG Economy Cricket Kit. SG BlazeTech helmet is very stylish and comfortable in wearing with heavy grill, having hole on top for passing air into head. At number 6. SG Summer Camp Kashmir Cricket Kit for all ages. This is complete kit bag for all ages, includes all the gear that you need. Available in various sizes and colors for different age groups. At number 5. SG Economy Cricket Kit, size 4, it includes Kashmir willow bat, SG cricket helmet, SG cricket batting gloves, SG cricket batting pads, SG cricket batting pads, SG cricket league abdominal guard. At number 4. SG Economy Cricket Kit, full kit. This kit includes SG Cricket RSD Xtreme Kashmir willow bat, SG cricket kit bag, SG cricket helmet, SG cricket batting gloves, SG cricket batting gloves, SG ball. At number 3. SG Full Cricket Kit with bag and with Spordy Stumps. The complete kit bag for all sizes includes all the gear that you need. All the item in rich quality with low cost. At number 2. SG Multicolor Economy Cricket Set Size, a complete economy kit for batsmen. The kit includes the following items: bats, balls, gloves, leg guards, protective equipment, bags, shoes, clothing. At number 1. SG Kashmir Eco Cricket Kit. The complete kit bag for all ages includes all the gear that you need. Available in various sizes and colors for different age groups.